Okay, this is the Grabie Advent Calendar, 24 days of Advent. And it really is packaged beautifully. Now, you can go in the link in my description. It's a link tree. Click on it. Go to the tab that says Grabie. And the promo code you're going to put in is LINZ15. So lines 15, LINZ. Now, you can set it up like this, which I love. This is so brilliant. And each of the boxes is like a cityscape. And you put them into the numbers that they go into. Now, if you don't want to know what's in the Advent calendar, the end of this video, close your eyes, but go ahead and still give it a like and make sure you subscribe to me. But I do show at the very end what comes in the Advent calendar and pictures. I don't explain each one because I think Advent calendars, I think the whole fun of it is not really knowing, but I can see how some people would want to know what's inside of it. So I'm putting all the boxes that coincide with the numbers into this cityscape. I think this is such a cool way to do something like this. But again, if you want to use a promo code to get a discount, use LINZ15 at checkout. I have a direct link to Grabie in my link tree, and just tap on that and it'll take you there. Now, Grabie is also the pens I tend to use most of the time. I use the fine liner pens. When I tangle, I use their watercolors. When I watercolor, I use their watercolor brushes. When I watercolor, and there's so many things. So now each box opens, and I'm just showing you an example of what's in one box. And these are like note-taking pens. And I'm not even kidding you. What came in this Advent calendar blew me away, and you'll see in the pictures that are at the end. The other thing is you guys know I like teeny tiny Tangle Time, and they come with these little tiny notebooks. Look at these. This is what's in this box, I happen to know. And it's this little tiny notebook. I think it's brilliant. I love it. So you'll see all the things that come in it. I like that some of them are crafts, some of them are painting, it's just so much of everything. And inside of each item, it will tell you what it is and how to use it. But remember, use your imagination. This is what comes in this Advent calendar. Blows my mind. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, go to the link tree in the description, click on the Grabie tab, and make sure at checkout you use code LINZ15. And more to come, but I love Grabie, so shout out to Grabie.